Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul to share with you guys. So my haul for today is going to be from Beebeecraft. If you guys don't know Beebeecraft, they are an online website where you can purchase different craft supplies. They have stuff for sewing, jewelry making, paper crafting, art, all kinds of good stuff. And their prices are very affordable, I would say. I do love the amount of stuff that they have on there. They have a variety, and they have a good thing about them is that they do sell in big quantities because they are a warehouse. And so if you order something and you need a lot of it, then definitely that's a place to go to. I would definitely recommend it. But let's go ahead and get started. I have a few items to share with you guys. And in the next few videos, you guys will also be seeing how I use these items. So I did pick these items in particular because of because I did have a reason for it, and you guys will obviously see why. But this is an unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll leave all the information for Beebeecraft linked down below in my description box so that you guys can go check them out, check out their website. And I'll check if they have an Instagram, and if they do, I'll leave that link down as well. So you guys will see. Oh my goodness, look at these. Alright. So I was actually very excited to see these, to see what all this stuff looks like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start. We'll start with the charms because they look super amazing. So these are actually some Panda Haul Elite charms. There's 50 pieces in here, and you get 5 different colors. And they are charms, so you can use these for jewelry making. You can use them for crafts, for your planners. And the reason why I got them is because I want to use them on washi wallets and traveler's notebooks. Look at how cute these are. And they come in this super cute little container to keep them nice and safe, nice and organized. I love the size. I was a little worried that they were going to be really small, but the size is perfect, definitely for like a washi wallet or like a mini size planner. Definitely a great size. I love the gold in it. Again, the container is really cute. And these are $9.89 on their website currently. So you get 50 pieces in 5 different colors. So let's look through them. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. So here we have the pink with the gold. So this is the pink one. As you can see, it has the little loop, so you can put it in a necklace or in an elastic or on a bracelet. And then we have the blue ones right there. Super pretty. The blue is definitely my favorite color. And then we have this beautiful black and gold. And then this one's really nice. I love this one. I love how fancy and classy it looks. And this is the ivory or beige, I guess you can say, or white. Looks more like a beige. And then the last one is the lavender. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. And then again, it has gold in the back, and it's made really nice. It doesn't look flimsy. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels nice and sturdy. And the finishing on this, it's really pretty. It almost looks like a crystal, which is super cute. So again, you get 50 pieces, and this is just so adorable. I love these, and I can't wait to use them in my projects. You can even like hang them on like little what do you call those, tag flips, little page markers, all kinds of fun stuff. So there we have that. Alright, so then the next item are the 28-piece sets. It's a mixed colors handmade soft DIY tassels, and you guys know I love tassels. I love putting these on my planners, and I just love using them. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, let me give these a try. So This is what they look like, and you get 28 pieces, and these are currently $11.72. They are 2.5 inches, and they are nice and soft, super pretty, well made. And let me see the finishing at the bottom. Finishing looks really good too. And then it has this little clip at the top, almost like a little charm, so that you can hang it on any project or through any necklace or a key ring, or in my case, a traveler's notebook or washi wallet, which is why I got these. And you get them in different colors. So here we have the blue. As you can see, they come in this little tube to keep them nice and safe. Let me see if I can put them back in. Whenever my tassels come wrapped in something, I like to keep them wrapped until the very end, until I ship them. That way they stay nice and safe. And then here we have this beautiful, gorgeous, almost looking like a green color, almost like an emerald green, gorgeous. Then we have the gray one. Look at how pretty the gray one is. That's the gray one right there. And then we have the red. Then there's this really beautiful color right here. We have black and orange and coral. Here's the orange, here's the coral, almost like a soft pink. Then there's this one right here, another orange. This one right here looks like a dark blue. Yeah, I think it's like a navy blue, white, purple, like a bronze brown, pink, almost like a hot pink. And then this one's like a dark brown. Then we have this beautiful blue, another purple, a royal blue. And then here's another brown. Look at how pretty that is. So cute, and I love the way it feels. I like how full it is. Some tassels do come very like skinny, but I like the fullness of this one. And then what I do like about it too is that the thread actually feels really nice and it looks nice. Because not everything, not all of them come out like this, but look at how cute that is. Very nice, very well finished. And then again, if you need multiples, Beebeecraft is definitely the place to go. Look at this really soft yellow. Here's another white, a baby blue. Then there's this one, it's dark, I can't really see what color that is. Here's like a green, a dark green, the mint, the baby pink, and then a green. So really cute, I like these. And then they come in this little Ziploc bag so that you can keep them all stored nice and safe. So here we have those. Perfect. All right, so then the last items are the elastic cordings. So these are elastic cords, and they are by Benecreat, and these are 2 millimeters. You get 5 yards of it, and they are $8.49 the singles, but you can also get like a set of 14 rolls for $22, which is a good price because then you get a bunch of different colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this one is the light pink. So yeah, so this one's the pearl pink, really pretty. So I just wanted to see the thickness of it, because I was like, I can definitely use these for my traveler's notebooks, and if I like them, then now I know where I can order them from, because you get a ton. Again, you get 5 yards. So let's see, let me make sure this is like the one that I use. Yep, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I love the thickness of it. And it says quantity 50 MT, I'm guessing 50 yards. But then look at that, how pretty that is. I'm gonna see how nice it cuts too. Perfect, look at that. It cuts really nice. It's nice and thick, definitely fits a traveler's notebook, even a washi wallet. It is a little bit thick, but I think it'll still fit a washi wallet nicely. You can also use it to make like folders if you want to attach like inserts and stuff like that. But look at how cute it comes in this like little spool right here, and you get a ton of it and just keep it nice and organized. So I absolutely love that. I love the pink. The pink is a really beautiful pink, and I use pink a lot, so that's why I picked the pink one. And then I'm guessing this one is the light sky blue. And here we have it. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this blue. It's so pretty. Wow. So here we have the blue. Let me see if I can open it up. Where's my opening? Is it this one right here? Oh, here we go. It's at the bottom. There we go. Look at how cute this blue is. I love it. And again, you can see like the thickness of it, how much of it you get, because it wraps, basically you get this much in width. But it's really, really nice. And again, these are only $8.49, which is really good. I think it's definitely a good price for the amount of yards that you get. And I love the color, the thickness. I think everything's just perfect. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely go check out Beebeecraft. And if you guys are going to pick up any of these items, let me know in the comments down below. I would like to know which ones you guys are interested in. But thank you guys for watching today's video. As always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!